Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best denture bleach is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for individuals looking to restore the pristine white appearance of their dentures, combating the inevitable staining and discoloration that occurs over time from food, drinks, and other factors, ensuring a confident and radiant smile is always within reach. Number 5. Retainer Brite Cleaning Tablets. Introducing Retainer Brite, the ultimate cleaning solution for your clear retainers, aligners, and mouthguards. Keep them fresh and odor-free with our powerful tablets. These tablets are specifically designed for removable dental appliances like night guards and sports mouthguards. They ensure your devices are always clean and bright. Using them is incredibly easy and they act fast. Simply soak your dental appliances daily for the best, most refreshing results. Each package contains 120 individually wrapped tablets, providing a generous 4-month supply. That's plenty to keep your appliances clear and fresh. Proudly made in the USA, Retainer Brite offers a reliable way to maintain the cleanliness and freshness of your dental appliances. These cleaning tablets are also perfect for use with ultrasonic cleaners, enhancing their effectiveness for a superior clean. What we like? This product is designed for daily use to keep your dental appliances fresh and odor-free. If you use removable dental appliances daily and want a reliable, easy-to-use solution, this is a great choice. It's perfect for maintaining the cleanliness of retainers, aligners, and mouthguards. What people say. The bleach is very effective in removing stains from dentures. It leaves dentures looking brighter and cleaner. The product is easy to use and follow the instructions. Number 4. Polident Overnight Whitening Denture Cleanser Tablets. Introducing Polident Overnight Whitening Denture Cleanser Tablets. It's the #1 dentist recommended brand for a reason. These tablets help remove plaque and reduce its buildup. They also tackle tough stains, protecting the original whiteness of your dentures. Experience a superior clean. They kill 99.99% of odor-causing bacteria and viruses, and significantly more than regular toothpaste. These are suitable for cleaning various oral appliances. This includes retainers, mouth guards, and even removable braces. Achieve a better clean with 20% better stain removal compared to a competitor brand. Simply dissolve a tablet, soak overnight, brush, and rinse. This product is eligible for purchase with your HSA and FSA funds. Enjoy a cleaner, brighter smile with ease. What we like? Experience overnight whitening and powerful antibacterial action with this cleanser. If you're looking for a solution that works while you sleep to kill odor-causing bacteria and remove tough stains, this is ideal. It's suitable for a wide range of oral appliances and offers a superior clean. What people say. The denture bleach is very effective in removing stains and whitening dentures. It is easy to use and leaves dentures feeling clean and fresh. The formula is gentle on dentures and does not cause any damage. Number 3. Breelex Retainer Cleaner Tablets. Introducing Breelex Retainer Cleaner Tablets, your solution for a sparkling clean. These powerful tablets are designed for all your dental appliances, ensuring a fresh and hygienic experience every day. Experience a revolutionary 3-minute deep clean. Our effervescent formula works quickly to tackle tough stains, plaque, and odor-causing residue, restoring your dental devices to their pristine condition. Our non-abrasive tablets are gentle on your retainers, dentures, and night guards. They clean effectively without causing damage, helping to extend the life of your appliances. Keep your dental appliances clean with a generous 4-month supply. Just 1 tablet in warm water provides a quick and effective clean, making daily care effortless. Maintain your oral hygiene conveniently. These tablets are approved for FSA and HSA spending, offering an affordable and effective solution for clean retainers, dentures, and aligners. What we like? Achieve a deep clean in just 3 minutes with this gentle yet powerful formula. If you need a quick and effective cleaning solution for your dentures, retainers, or aligners that won't damage them, this is the one. It's perfect for those seeking a fast, convenient, and HSA FSA eligible option. What people say. This denture cleaner is very effective at removing stains and discoloration. The bleach works quickly and efficiently, leaving dentures looking like new. It's easy to use and doesn't require any special equipment. Number 2. Aligner Cleaner Denture Cleaner and Whitener Paste Foam. Tired of dull aligners and dentures? Discover a revolutionary cleaning solution designed for your oral care needs. This powerful paste foam effectively cleans and whitens, tackling tough stains and leaving your smile brighter. It's ideal for maintaining the cleanliness of your sports mouthguards and dentures, ensuring optimal hygiene. Experience a fast-acting clean that outperforms traditional retainer cleaner tablets. Get a superior clean in less time. Not only does it clean and whiten, but it also actively fights bad breath, giving you confidence throughout the day. Get more value with this convenient 2-pack, ensuring you always have this essential oral care product on hand. What we like? Tired of tablets? This paste foam offers a fast-acting alternative for cleaning and whitening. If you prefer a foam application and are looking to whiten your teeth while fighting bad breath, consider this option. It's a great choice for sports mouthguards and dentures. What people say. The bleach is effective in removing stains from dentures. It is easy to use and provides noticeable results. The product is safe for daily use and does not damage the denture material. Number 1. Lumineux Teeth Whitening Strips. Achieve a brighter smile with our advanced teeth whitening strips. Experience professional-level results without any discomfort or sensitivity. Our formula is peroxide-free and gentle on your enamel. You can confidently use them for a safe and effective whitening experience. This pack provides 21 treatments, enough for 3 months of regular use. Maintain your radiant smile with this convenient supply. Developed by dental professionals, these strips are designed for optimal performance. Get the whiter teeth you've always wanted, formulated with care. It's time to unveil your most confident smile. Our whitening strips deliver noticeable results, leaving your teeth visibly whiter and healthier. What we like? Achieve whiter teeth without sensitivity using this peroxide-free formula. If you desire a brighter smile but have experienced discomfort with other whitening products, this is for you. It's enamel-safe and dentist-formulated for a gentle yet effective whitening experience. What people say. This denture cleaner is very effective at removing stains and discoloration. It whitens dentures significantly, restoring their natural appearance. The formula is gentle on dentures and does not cause any damage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.